So I'm going to show you how to fix a hot seat or a hot water burner of how DJ stole this thing. No, he really didn't steal it. He got a heck of a deal on this thing, and it kept blowing a fuse every time we turned on the power switch. And so through this video, I'll walk you step by step of how to troubleshoot the problem, so that way you will be able to figure out what is wrong with this unit. And I will put chapter marks in here too, so that way if you want to go to each chapter mark, it'll make it easier, so if you need to troubleshoot. But this is how you troubleshoot. This troubleshoots everything from the blower motor, the fuel pump, and because even the fuel pump should cause you to have a blown fuse. So watch this video and I'll walk you step by step through it. Watch DJ struggle to get these lines off. See if you can get the whole thing in and then turn it. You can do it, DJ.
You can do it all night long.
So we know that this fuel pump is not working because it is tight. So we're actually going to take it apart and I will show you what's inside this fuel pump to see why is it not working. Hopefully we might be able to fix something that's in it that's where it hasn't ran in a long time. DJ's never worked on hot water before. Alright, so we'll bring it over here where we can stand up here on the side here. See if any of those fit that. Yeah, they're a little rusty. They're coming out of retirement. So this is the 4 pump. So this is like a little roller pump right here. So again, we're just going to take the 4 things off here. Now we don't want to turn it, which the bottom, the 2 lines are coming out the different ways. So that's one way to know that we didn't turn it here. This is a Beckett clean cut is what it says it is. So we'll pull this apart and see why is it not turning. That's good because I believe this is cheaper than the blower motor being bad. So, and this all started because somebody bought this unit for next to nothing, $1,000. Might have to put a $100 pump into it. Darn. And he figured out how things work too, right?
Yes, sir.
It does have a gasket on it. I'm gonna tap on it a little bit. Let's see here.
Tap on.
Metal pipe, we'll just tap on it so that it taps. There we go. That comes all the oil out, oil in my tank. Alright, so that's the filter.
This is what spins?
No, it's not. I didn't know that was a filter in there. See what's inside there internally, and what's these little Allen wrenches right here? This thing ain't working anyway, so them are nuts right there. I think yep. That do. You take this point. So this isn't working anyway, or maybe see if you can take your there and get it turning.
What, this?
See if you can turn it with there. It's not working in it, is it? So we'll take these little screws out. We got some nice diesel fuel on them. So that small out is one work, or you
just trying to get, pry air, try to see the regulars. Oh, this doesn't turn?
No.
Okay.
I don't think so. I think the pump is actually inside there. So you got one's going to come in and one's going to shoot it out.
Okay.
So them have to come off.
These?
Yeah, this size right here.
What's your next one?
The bigger. This pump don't work, so you don't have to get a new one there. If it don't work, we're going to try to make it work. If it don't work, we'll buy a new one, put it in, and you know what you need. Right?
Right. Okay, good. These are easy.
You get Hercules on that, it's going to break. So there should be a little gear pump in there if I remember right.
I don't even smell the diesel in this. You smell it?
Because it's got the little tap goes up this way, just so you know. The little thing on here goes up. And that's the gear inside there that's not turning. Now you should be able to push that piece up.
I'm wondering if it's just rusted.
I'd say it is. Might be able to take some WD or...
There it is. The half moon right there.
That half moon's supposed to turn. There ain't nothing broken there, does it look like? You got anything to clean up that stuff? You ain't got no gas or nothing. That's how you did it.
No, I'm just trying to
I know.
loosen it up a little bit. That's how I like loosening things up. There's anything wrong with it.
Something's making it not turn up. And then how did that go? We might get that all up.
That might be it right there. These are pretty scarred up right here. I don't know. You steal the emery cloth?
Alright. So we're going to try to clean it up.